Casa Grande sits halfway between Phoenix and Tucson, which means injury firms from both directions advertise here without ever setting foot in Pinal County, where your case would actually be filed. So lead with the residency test. When did you last file an injury case in Pinal County? A firm that works this county answers with something specific. A firm that plans to run your case as a long-distance file will generalize. It's a fair question to ask and a helpful one. Now the stakes. Casa Grande lives at the junction of the 10 and the 8, one of the heaviest long-haul truck corridors in the Southwest. And truck cases work differently than car cases. Commercial trucking is regulated by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, whose rules cover things like a driver's hours on the road and the truck's maintenance and inspections. The trucking company's insurer starts working the case the same day. And the evidence that wins, driver logs, the truck's electronic data, inspection records, gets preserved only when someone demands it fast, in writing. If your crash involves a commercial truck, ask one question. What happens in the first 7 days? Listen for the word preservation. The universal tests still apply. Read the firm's Google reviews and its social media reviews, including the middle ones. The fee in one sentence: nothing up front, nothing hourly, nothing at all unless you win. Free consultation. A phone answered at night because the 10 doesn't crash on a schedule. And a firm that asks for your declarations page. Arizona insurers must offer uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, and on an interstate corridor, it's often what makes a recovery collectible. 2 rules for every call. Arizona gives you 2 years to file, but corridor evidence disappears in weeks. And partial fault reduces a claim by your percentage. It never eliminates it. If you've been hurt in a crash on the corridor, get a free consultation before you talk to any adjuster, in English or Spanish, any hour. The number is on your screen.